To create a custom filter in camera on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, first we're gonna go to the camera, and over here we're gonna open camera filters. So we're gonna tap on this icon here at the top. There we go, and as you can see, we have opened our filters. Now, if you want to create your own one, you can use an image or picture that you have in the gallery to be used as a reference based on which the filter is going to be created. So if we go over here to this plus, and then we should be able to choose the picture that should be used as the filter. So let's say I'm going to choose this one over here. Now we need to wait a couple of seconds before we can use the create button over here. And once we do, we're just going to tap on create. You can still make some adjustments, like you can crop out the area that should not be included. So if you tap on that, then you can resize the reference area, and then we can tap on done. There we go. And once it is done, we can just tap on done over here, and then the filter is going to be created. As you can see, there is like a small difference. You can still tap on that filter if you want to make some small adjustments. You can adjust the strength of that filter, the color temperature, the contrast, saturation, and film grain. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.